Today I will show you what is included in the Intermediate Evo Ozobot kit. This kit will empower students to code, create, and share through color coding and visual block-based programming. In the kit, you will find a plastic envelope. In this envelope, you will find a bot camp for educators guide with activity ideas you can do yourself or with your students. There is also a We Love Teachers flyer with information on how to create a free Ozobot classroom account. This account gives you access to teacher training, STEAM lessons, how-to videos, and more. You will also find your Ozobot challenge cards. This kit is designed for 2 to 3 students working on one challenge card at a time. Pay attention to the sequence of the challenger cards at the bottom left-hand corner. The challenges build upon one another. The kit also contains an Evo Ozobot box with 1 Evo Ozobot, 4 markers, 1 USB charging cable that can be plugged into the USB port on a device. The Ozobot takes an hour to fully charge for an hour of playing time. The Evo Ozobot is a desktop robot that can be coded in 2 ways, by color coding, following colors and lines, or block-based programming computer codes. Your Ozobot can follow black, red, blue, and green lines and knows when you use a group of colors together if you want it to do something. Colors can be combined to change direction, change speed, different moves, just to name a few. To use the block-based programming to code the Ozobot, students can use the Ozoblockly platform by browsing to ozoblockly.com/editor. They can start with the help tutorial option and follow the steps. This tutorial will familiarize them with the Ozoblockly platform and block-based programming, and it will teach them how to calibrate and program their Evo Ozobot. The student will need to connect the Ozobot to their Chromebook using Bluetooth. On the menu bar, they will see a Programs button. Here is where they can pair their Evo Ozobot to their Chromebook through Bluetooth. They can also click on the Example Program button on the menu bar to see sample programs. Students can see how block-based programming works by running these example programs on their Ozobots and then altering the code and then running the program again. The goal is for students to create their own programs for the Ozobot. There are a few things to keep in mind. Please let students know that it is very important that they make sure they keep the lids completely closed on the markers when they're not being used. The markers tend to dry out really quickly. Also, there are other teachers who will be using the Ozobot Camp for Educators books, so please do not write in the books, but instead make copies of the pages you would like to use. For more details, you can also visit our Make Your Kit website to access our Ozobot resource page. Please make sure the Ozobot is fully charged and turned off before placing it in the box with the charger, cable, and markers. Reach out to your ed tech if you have any questions, and don't forget to check out the Make Your Kit website for more information and ideas. Thank you.